Hey guys, what's up? It's Noah here, and I want to show you how I did something a little different on a project I'm working on here. I managed to make a shower controlled by a light switch. On most people's showers, you have to turn on the knob and hope you get it to the correct temperature. And we all know that you have to tweak it a couple times once you get in. With this setup, you could set it and forget it using a light switch to turn on and off your shower so your controls can always be set to the same temperature. I was able to do this with less than $40 in material. So in this video, I'm going to explain how I did it. This actually seems like a complex process to do, but it's really not that hard. There's a few things that you have to do this, all of which will be listed at the end of the video and in the description. I'm going to carry you through the plumbing and the electrical that I've done underneath the house. So all you have to do is go under the house or wherever the water lines are and find exactly where the water lines stub up to give water to your shower. Once you've realized what kind of water lines you have, all you have to do is adapt your solenoid valves to that, and you can cut out your water lines and connect them up. Make sure you have the arrow pointing in the direction of water flow, so that would be towards your shower. Once they're connected to the water line specifically running to your shower, you'll need to get power to it. Luckily, there was already a wire under the house next to this that I was able to tap into, and since it's low voltage, you can pretty much tap it into any power wire. All I did was run a 12 gauge power wire to my transformer, and my transformer stepped it down to the correct voltage for my specific solenoid valve. So with a small 18 gauge switch leg running through the switch and a power wire running into the box, I was able to wire these solenoid valves up to be controlled by electricity. I'll show you a diagram of where the wires go. So let's run through that again. All you have to do is wire a switch leg up to the switch that you cut into the wall. You'll need to run that switch legs to a box where you also have a power wire and a transformer. Once you connect the power wire to the transformer, the other end of the transformer will need the switch leg to run through it. Once you go through the switch leg, your power wire will go to your solenoid valves, and your neutral wire from the solenoid valves will connect to the neutral wire on your transformer. Once you do that and have it plumbed in the system, everything should work. Make sure that you turn off your water at the street, and make sure you turn off your power at the box before doing any plumbing or electrical. I personally think that this is a really cool feature to have in a house, or a very convenient way to turn on the water and go ahead and get it warming up for you while you get ready to get in there. I'll have a link in the description for all the products that you'll need to complete this task. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you can be the first to watch new videos like this. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I challenge you to make somebody else's day better by performing a random act of kindness. Peace out.